In 1502, the Aztec emperor Moctezuma saw a comet tearing through the sky. He believed his world was ending. Then, white sails appeared on the horizon. Hernan Cortez arrived with horses and steel, things the Aztecs had never seen. But the Spanish didn't win through weapons alone. They brought a silent killer. Smallpox decimated Tenochtitlan faster than any blade. Moctezuma welcomed them as gods, only to die in chains. A golden empire fell, not just to soldiers but to a silent killer. A golden empire fell, not just to soldiers but to a sneeze.